Have you ever slept for 7 or 8 hours but still felt exhausted in the morning? You're not alone. Millions of Americans face this exact issue, and it's not just about how long you sleep, but how well you sleep. In today's video, we'll explore 7 hidden reasons why you may be waking up tired even after a full night's sleep, and how to fix them naturally. These tips are based on real science and tailored for the busy, high-stress lifestyle common in the USA. 1. Poor sleep quality, not enough deep sleep. It's possible to get 8 hours of sleep but still have low-quality rest. If you're not getting enough deep or REM sleep, your body doesn't fully recharge. Causes include screen time, stress, alcohol, and inconsistent sleep schedules. Fix. Establish a consistent bedtime, reduce blue light before sleep, and avoid caffeine or alcohol in the evening. 2. Sleep apnea, interrupted breathing at night. Sleep apnea affects millions in the USA. Often undiagnosed, it causes your breathing to stop briefly during the night, waking your brain and preventing deep sleep. Fix. If you snore or wake up gasping for air, talk to a doctor. Losing weight and sleeping on your side can also help. 3. Dehydration. Even mild dehydration can leave you feeling groggy and unfocused in the morning. Fix. Drink a glass of water first thing after waking, and make sure you're staying hydrated throughout the day, especially before bed. 4. Nutrient deficiencies like vitamin D, B12, iron. Low levels of certain nutrients can cause fatigue even with good sleep. Fix. Eat a balanced diet with leafy greens, eggs, lean meats, and healthy fats. Consider supplements if recommended by your doctor. 5. High stress or anxiety. Even if you fall asleep easily, chronic stress can keep your brain active and block restful sleep stages. Fix. Try meditation, journaling, or deep breathing before bed. Managing stress during the day also improves sleep quality. 6. Late night eating or blood sugar swings. Eating too close to bedtime or having sugar-rich snacks can cause nighttime blood sugar crashes, making sleep unstable. Fix. Avoid heavy meals or sugary snacks 2 to 3 hours before bed. Choose light, protein-rich snacks if needed. 7. Hidden health conditions like thyroid, depression, etc. Chronic fatigue despite full sleep can sometimes signal underlying health conditions. Fix. If lifestyle changes don't help, consult a healthcare professional for testing and proper diagnosis. Feeling rested isn't just about quantity, it's about quality. By addressing these hidden causes, you can finally wake up refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. Thanks for watching Inner Vitality, where we bring you natural, science-backed health tips designed for the modern American lifestyle. Subscribe and stay tuned for more weekly content.